Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So here in this video I will teach you how you can use this Thunderbird mail. So click on start. Here you can import information from your desktop. Like if you are already using this app in the desktop, then you can import information from your desktop by clicking on import setting. Here you also have this option import from other app or device. Like if you are changing your phone, you can import information. And if you are new here, then you can click on add email account and you can add your email account here and you can create account. And here you have to pick a display name and a signature name. And here you have this check frequency option where you can change the hour. Here you have every hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 3 hour, 24 hour. You can choose according to your own schedule. And here you also have this number of messages you want to display. You can select here if you want 10, 20, 100, 50, 25. You can do that here. And here you can also enable or disable the notifications. Here you can also allow context if you want to. I will just skip that for now. And that's it, our email account has been set up. Now I will teach you how you can use that. Here you can see all your emails, and if you talk about the feature, first one you have this research bar on the top where you can research for anything. Now here if I go and if I research for Google, now you can see all the email related to Google. You can do the same thing for a person and the company as well. And now here you have this filter option where you can filter them on the basis of date, arrival, subject, star, read, unread and attachments. Like for example, if I apply here star filter, you will see all the star emails on the top. And here you have this compose option in the bottom where you can compose your email. Here you have this interface in the from, you can see your email, and in the to you will see the person email to whom you want to send the email. And here you have this subject and message text from where you can write your text. And here you have signature option in the bottom. This interface will remind you of the interface of Gmail. This Thunderbird and Gmail has same style for composing email. Only here in the Thunderbird you can see your signature and you can't see this signature in the Gmail. Now let's talk about other features. Here you have these 3 lines on the top. Simply click on that. Now here you can see your inbox, outbox. Here in the outbox you can see all the email that you have sent. And here you have Gmail Mail where you can see all your mails. And similarly you have here the bin where you can see all your delete emails, and you can also restore your emails from here. And here you can also see your drafts as well, and your send email, and your spam email, and your email that are important, and your started emails. Here you have noticed one thing, that this interface is exactly similar to that of Gmail. Here you can see that in the Gmail you have the started, snooze, important, send, schedule options. You can see this option as well in the Thunderbird. But here in the Gmail you also have more options. You have these primary emails, promotions, social media updates, and you also have this calendar contacts as well. Whereas in the Thunderbird you can't see such more features. Here in the Thunderbird you have this manage folder option in the bottom where you can manage your folders. And now here if we talk about the overall appearance, you can see that this Thunderbird and Gmail has overall similar appearance. Both Thunderbird and Gmail are simple and easy to use. That was all about how you can set up and you can use your Thunderbird. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.